Welcome to the Cine Genix AI training video series. This tutorial will show you how to create a video from an idea in Cine Genix AI. Choose Idea to Video. Here you can create videos from an idea prompt. You can use AI Content Generator to create AI content. You can use it into your video. Now choose ratio of your video, language, and duration of your video. Click on Generate and your video will be open in Video Editor.
Camera, action. Discover the magic of Cine Genix AI, the revolutionary editing tool that will transform your video's effort.
Here you can customize your video. You can add background music to your video. Volume, font color. Click on Export and your video will be ready. You can manage your video in the Manage Video section. Here you can view your video.
Lights, camera, action. Discover the magic of Cine Genix AI, the revolutionary editing tool that will transform your videos effortless.
Share your video on social sites. Thanks for watching the video.